Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to create or remove user accounts on Microsoft Surface Studio 2. First of all, open Start menu, then go to Settings. After that, we have to go to Accounts on the sidebar, scroll down to Other Users, and then click Add Account. Now, if you want to create a new account, user using their Microsoft account, enter their email address and then their password into their respective fields. Then you can create a PIN code for them and their account will be created. You can also create their Microsoft accounts right away by clicking on have this person sign in information and entering a new email address for them, and then basically creating a Microsoft account for them. Or if you want to add a user account locally, click Add a user without a Microsoft account on the following page, and then create their username. So come up with any username you want for them and then enter the password for them. Confirm it in the second field, and then to secure their password, you're gonna have to select 3 different security questions and give answers to them in respective fields. Then press enter and their account will be created. If you want to switch to it, you have to go to Start menu, click on your account, and then click the 3-dot icon and select their account right here. Now, if you want to remove their account, go back to Account/Other Users menu, then expand their Accounts menu and click Remove. Before you can remove it, you have to make sure that you signed out of their account. Click Delete Account and Data and their account will be removed. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.